If I have the budget, I would spend a little bit more to extend the wall cabinet to the ceiling. It gives that luxurious look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna all about kitchen mistakes that people doing over and over again. So you need to be aware of these mistakes if you are designing or remodeling your kitchen. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Asma Diab. I am an interior architect, and you're gonna find many helpful videos here talking about decor tips and how to design your space. If you are interested, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the red button below the video and the bell next to it. So stay tuned. So the first mistake we have today on our list is clearance issues. And this is where when you create a clear space to use the drawers, the cabinet doors, the appliances doors, like fridge, oven, microwave, or any kind of that, you need to create a clear space to open them without one of these bump into each other's when you use it in the same time. Like in this case, if you want to pull out your drawer, you have first to open the dishwasher door, because if you pull it out while the dishwasher is closed, it's gonna hit the dishwasher handle. So that's what we call clearness mistakes. Because you want to open any cabinet doors, you have to close the adjacent one, or you're not able to use your fridge well to bring in or out anything, or even to clean it, because you cannot open the fridge doors to the end. That's because it doesn't have the enough clearness space for it. And actually, clearness issues is not only about that. It's also landing spaces on your countertop that serves around your appliances. So each appliance has to have its own landing area. Like for example, your stove has to have on each side two landing area. One of them 12 inch by 16 and the other one is 15 inch by 16. And if you have your stove or cooktop in your island table, you got to have 9 inch deep behind it. And your fridge, it needs 15 by 16 inches and only one side. And for opening the fridge door, you need 30 by 48 inches on the floor. For your microwave, 15 by 16 inches and 30 by 22 inches for opening the door. And the dishwasher needs 16 by 15 inches for the landing area. But for the door opening clearness, it depends on the width of the dishwasher. If it's 24 inches, you're gonna need 24 by 26 clearness on the floor. And don't forget the prep space or area next to your sink. You need 24 by 36 inches right next to the sink. So all of this stuff you need to consider before you design your kitchen. That's why space planning is very important. You need to plan everything ahead. You need to know your clearness spaces. Then you design your kitchen. And that takes us to the second mistake in our list today, which is not choosing appliances first. So people always think that they need to make design for cabinetries and everything, and then they choose the appliances. But when you choose your appliances first, you know the exact dimension and locating them within the confine of your kitchen. That will allow you to custom fit all your cabinetry that's happening around it. So you're not ended up with not fitting any appliances and you have to return it. The third mistakes we have today in our list, which is still related to the space planning, is not considering work triangle. See guys, space planning is very important. It's really crucial and it's the main reason to make your design fail or success. So the work triangle simply means those 3 points or areas you are going back and forth while you're cooking or using your kitchen, which is the fridge, stove, and your sink. It has to be clear, no obstacles cut out this area. And each side of the triangle should measure no less than 4 feet and no more than 9 feet. And the perimeter of the triangle should be no less than 13 feet and no more than 26 feet. So if you keep this triangle really clear, it will keep great flow in your kitchen. The next up, mistake number 4, which is using wrong lighting in your kitchen. So don't neglect lighting in your kitchen. Don't use just one source of light in the ceiling. You need to create layering, you need to create task light. So task light like above your stove or your island table, the sink and the fridge. And to create layering in your lighting for your kitchen, By using some kind of like recessed strip slide, you can put it under your wall cabinet and at the toe kick in your base cabinet. That way you create a very beautiful lighting layering in your kitchen and create a beautiful vibe for the space. The next one is mistake number 5, not paying attention for the electric requirements. This one is very important because it's protect you for any electric shock to happen. That means all receptacles serving countertop areas requires a GFCI outlets because it's designed to shut off electrical power in case it falls to prevent electrical shock. So according to where your appliances are, place your outlets there. And for your loose appliances like your blender, toaster on your countertop or any everyday appliances, place their outlet. And if you have kids and they are gonna do their homework on the island table with you, or you're gonna use your iPad, charging your phone, so you need a charging station in your island table. Mistake number 6, finishes and materials. Like choosing the right countertop or flooring for your function. Think about your lifestyle. If you have kids, you're using this area a lot, so you need a durable one for flooring, a durable one for countertop, stain and scratch resistant, like quartz, a man-made stone. But if you're gonna have a natural stone, you need to take care of it, like regularly annual sealing. For flooring materials, look for the water-resilient, anti-slipping floor, like engineering wood or laminate. The next mistake, number 7, is opening shelves. Most of the modern and contemporary designs now, they do these opening shelves. It's nice and looks really modern, but the mistake is where when you go too crazy with that or you exaggerate like a whole wall opening shelves. This is too much because it's a dust collector. It's very hard to clean. You have to have many perfect handmade like ceramic, pottery, utilities or dishes to show off, and it creates a cluttered look if you didn't organize well. So it doesn't help with daily use function of the kitchen, especially if this open shelf is very close to the stove, like 2 sides of the hood. The dust is gonna lay on your dishes and the shelves. It's gonna be sticky because the grease that coming out of your cooking. Moving on to mistake number 8, which is cropping wall cabinet. I'm not saying this is a huge mistake, but if I have the budget, I would spend money to extend the cabinet up to the ceiling. It gives a luxurious vibe and look. Mistake number 9, not considering built-in and integrated cabinet. This built-in solution you have in your cabinet, it's way better than you leave your stuff outside, like recycle or garbage bin. You need to hide it and create a space for it in your base cabinet. Instead leaving this outside as a loose element, it takes space and it doesn't look good. And the last mistake we have today is neglecting your style. If your entire house is created and designed by specific style, your kitchen has to have the same style of your houses, especially if your kitchen is open to adjacent area, like living or dining room. You need to create a cohesive style and look for your entire house, including your kitchen. And this is gonna show in your cabinet door panels, molding, colors, materials like countertop you use, or any design elements in your kitchen. Okay guys, we came to the end of this video today. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Before I go, I also sell some cool and unique design t-shirts. You can get all these t-shirt designs from Amazon, and you can get all these designs as well on different products like accessories, pillows, phone cases, and much more. You will get all these products from my store, and I will leave all the links in the description box below. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.